Okay, we're gonna tie the chain on this Coolster 125cc Go-Kart from Venom. If you can notice, we have our chain a little bit loose. We're gonna find two nuts right here on this bar. It's this one and this other one right here. What we have to do is we have to push this bar up a little bit. So basically we're gonna spin this nut down like to the left, and this should go up a little bit. But that, I think that the size of this ones is 18 millimeters. This one. Nice. And now the chain is completely tight. Now we have to put these two in one of the bars. We're gonna have 4 on total. This is 1. And this is 2. We're gonna tighten the first one a little bit, like not too much, but a little bit. And the second one, we're gonna target a little bit with the gun, or if you have the wrench, whatever you want to use. Right there. Okay. Right there. And then and that's it. You have to make sure the gap on this side is almost the same as the other one. So we're good right now. It's pretty simple.